Okay, in this video we are going to solve our numericals number 9.2. So that is a 4.5 centimeters needles is placed 12 centimeters away from a convex mirror of the focal length 15 centimeters. So here you have the given data. First of all, convex mirror is given. Convex mirror. The needles, that is the act as an object whose height is given. So h is 4.5 centimeter. Then you have given these needles can be placed 12 centimeter away from the convex mirror. That means 12 is the object distance, that is u centimeters, that is 12 centimeters. Or the object is always placed in left hand side, because of that this is the negative. And then you have given the focal length of the mirror, so that is small f, 15 centimeters. Now this is for convex mirror. So for convex mirror we know that we draw a diagram. This is convex mirror, this is pole, center of the curvature, this is principal axis and principal focus. So this is focal length. So for the convex mirror the focal length which is positive, because this is the right hand side of the pole. So this all distance in these sides are taken as positive, and object is always placed in left hand side, because of that u is negative. Now you have to find out, give the location of the image. That means you have find out the image distance. So this is our first question. What is the image distance? This is first question. So first of all we solve this one, and after that we have the find out the magnification. So second one is what is the magnification, and give the nature of this image, and if the needles is moved further from the mirrors then what happens. So this is the questions. First of all we solve this first question, that is the you have to find out v. We know that whenever we have given the object distance and focal length, and if you want to find out the image distance, so we have the formula that is known as mirror formula. Mirror formula is relationship between object distance, image distance and focal length. So from the mirror formula, what is the mirror formula? 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Now we have to find out v. So 1 upon v is equal to this 1 upon u taken in RHS, 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now put the all values, so you get 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon, so f is 15 centimeters. Why this is taken as positive? Because convex mirror, this minus will be there, 1 by u that is minus 12. So now this minus plus, then 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12, this is your 1 by v. So now take the LCM. So here LCM is 16. 15 into 4, that means 15 4s are 16, and 12 into 5. So you get 9 by 16. So now if you have the 9 by 16, so you can factorize this one, 3 into 3, and this is 3 into 20. So this 3 cancel. So this is your 1 by v, but we want to find out the v. So now taking the reciprocal on both sides, so now take the reciprocal on both sides, so we get, when you take the reciprocal, so the final equation is 1 by v is equal to 3 by 20. So now you have the v is 20 by 3. When you simplify this one, you get 6.666 centimeter. So this is the image distance. You can see this image distance is positive. What is the meaning of this image distance positive? That means image can be formed behind the mirrors. That means in RHS of the pole, then and then only you get the positive value. That means this image is virtual. This is our first question is completed. Now second one, you have to find out magnification. We know that magnification m is equal to minus v by u. Now put values of v and u. So magnification m is equal to minus will be there, v that is your 6.666, and u that is given minus 12. This minus plus, okay, this minus plus, so you get 6.666 divided by 12. When you solve this one, you get the values of the magnification, that is 0.555. This is your magnification. In previous video, we had discussed about when your magnification is positive, that means image is virtual, and if magnification is negative, then image is real. So here our magnification is positive, so here image is, here we get virtual image. Okay. After that, the last one, the question is, describe the what happened as the needle is moved farther from the mirrors. Whenever these needles can be moved farther from the mirrors, so you get the image somewhere here. So this image which is decrease their size of the image can be decreasing when these needles can be moved away from the mirrors. Okay, when this object distance is increased, so this image height will be decreased. So this is the conclusion. So the last question, describe what happens as the needle is moved further from the mirror. So when needles move away from the mirror, then image size decreasing. Okay, so this is our last question. Also here you can conclude that from the equation m is equal to h dash by h. So which height will be larger, h dash or h? H dash means the image height and h means the object height. So when you get the virtual image, so you can see here this is the less than 1. So this value h dash by h, which is magnification, which is less than 1. So in this case your magnification is positive, also image is virtual, then the area, or we can say that this image is virtual and erected, so image size is smaller than the object. Okay, so this is the conclusion. So it is very easy question. You have to find out the image distance, after that magnification, then you give the nature about the image, and then what happened when needles move from the mirror away from the mirror, then image size can be decreased. Okay, so now here we stop. This is our exercise numericals 9. Okay, thank you.